Do a flip. Please do me the honors of revving. I forgot that the visor doesn't really do much against the sun. Yeah, it's a bit crap. I'm fully squinting. Ah, my balls. Oh, my balls. Oh, please, UK, fix your roads. Yeah, the roads have to be fit for nothing. Why does it smell like cat food here? Just, let's let him go. Let the man go. Do you want to cross? Go on. Not him. Let's go. Ah, beautiful. Oh my days, it's busy. I can't see. This is funny. There's like two roads here, but they all just, you know, they lead into the one road. So it's, because the other road is blocked by cars, and then again, it's not really a road either. It makes no sense, man. This place don't make no sense. When did you get in front of me? What just kind of appeared in front of me like, wait, what? Wait a second. Hold on. Wait a minute. That's two people. Oh, it might be. Oh, he's going to the wrong. Was it? I didn't notice. What jacket did he have last time you saw him? Because this one was like pinkish. Just go to this petrol station. Yeah. Psh, college. What are you, young? Yeah. That's three. That's three. Yeah, careful. What, the van or the? Oh. Yeah. What were you turning for? Oh, maybe actually. Who knows? Who knows? Meeting a new person. It is him. Yeah. Yeah, he's coming in now. Do you want to let him in? Go on. Perfect timing, isn't it? We bikes, we will survive. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. There you go, that's what I like, see? Nice. Yeah. It does look cool. I'm glad he knows positions and all that. He sticks with it as well, which is quite good actually. Yeah, just make sure you indicate every single time. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of it either. I'm not too bad, my love. The exhaust is so quiet. Yeah, but that's like, yeah. Where you going, man? It's a green light for us. Yeah. Yeah, toss spot. They're both Japanese, aren't they? Yeah. You're gonna have to. Yeah. Yeah, you're crossing like not a bad man. You're crossing like an idiot. An idiot. How Irish say. You're crossing like an idiot. Yeah, they got the accent, don't they? They say idiot instead of idiot. Off your phone, you tosspot. I hate cyclists on their phone. Yeah, we're all good. You're on the road. Go on. Perfecto. Oh wow. Do a flip. What do you want from me? If someone's got to fall and break the leg, you know, do a flip. You might as well. His indicators are so funny, they kind of like bounce every time he goes over anything. They're very bouncy. Yeah. You can tell he's crashed it though. That's not good. Oh yeah, we'll buy a learner, even though we are learners, but we're not. Yeah, we're cool learners. That's right. Anyone that's a 125 is a cool learner, right? Oh, hello. This learner is going 24 miles per hour. I can tell, yeah. There you go. The instructor's. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how the instructor felt about that. With the car incoming, I don't know. On a slight. Well, he's got to stick to his speed limit, doesn't he? Yeah, okay, maybe he's not sticking to speed limit. Yeah, please turn somewhere. I understand you're being responsible, but just be responsible not next to us, please. We are bikes, we want to go more than 25 miles per hour. Well, that's... That's poor. To be fair, I had the same problem with the LXR, so I get this. Well, he said he wants to get an aftermarket exhaust, so I hope you do. Yeah, I hope he does. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm not surprised. I mean, your bike sounds, it sounds really nice. I'm quite often jealous of your bike's noise, because it doesn't matter. It's louder, doesn't mean it's nicer. Yours has got the nice. Yours has got a nice, what's it called? Like, the constant, oh, nice bike. Czech Republic is just nice, that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not going to work, am I? I don't wanna. He's turning. Turning. God damn, and there's police as well. Make some space, everybody. Make us some space. Yeah. That means get out of the way, you black car. Jesus. Yeah, I think we can all go now. We don't need to stay anymore, you know. We can, it's free for us to go now. Jesus. I hate when people don't pay attention to police in cars. It's like, dude. Yeah, you must. Surely you hear a sound like wee wee. It's too busy. It is indeed indicate. You can't forget to indicate, man. Yeah, but he needs to see. What are you guys waiting for? They got cars on their side. That means you go. We have the right of way here. Oh, I cannot imagine that. Gonna get bombarded with the noise. Oh, 2 pops, beautiful. I don't know actually. He's not going. He is now. Indicate as well. Ooh, bike. She had a red light. What an idiot. You don't need to indicate. Are you turning into the Hollywood Bowl? If not, then don't indicate, you spasmatron. I don't know. I'd suggest ask him if anything, because he doesn't know the way. He doesn't want, you know. You're leading, you gotta be smart about this. What are you turning? You're in complete other side of the road. I'm in danger. Hello. Yeah, he gave us a slight little nod. Yeah. Yeah, because he's got. Yeah. Bloody inconvenient ass one. Ah! Almost got squashed by a busmus. Almost died by a busmus. indicate as well. Let's go. Go, 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 go. God damn. Also we're in the wrong lane. That's alright, I'll let the lady. Yeah, I was in the wrong lane, but it's alright. It's alright, it don't matter. It don't matter, don't it? It don't matter. Woohoo!